Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Location and Observation Report for the 22nd of January, 2022. Today, we bring you to this single-family home located at 60.17 degrees north and minus 149.39 degrees west. On this day in January, the outside temperatures were a cozy 34 degrees Fahrenheit or 1 degree Celsius. The high for the day was 35 degrees Fahrenheit or 2 degrees Celsius. The low was recorded as 22 degrees Fahrenheit or minus 6 degrees Celsius. The local magnetic declination is 345. The uncorrected compass direction is 15 degrees north, and the corrected compass direction is plus 15.3 degrees. The day has been the same throughout with no precipitation, but cloud cover is 100% throughout the sky. There was light snow briefly 2 hours before, but the snow only lasted a few minutes. The wind blew lightly from the north with a rating of 4 on the Beaufort scale, but stopped occasionally and wasn't steady. There was a layer of snow that was only a few inches deep above the already frozen 3-foot layer of snow and ice beneath it. This part of Seward sits nestled in a valley between two mountains. The house sits just several hundred feet from the wide section of a glacier-fed creek. This creek periodically floods during the months of September and October when the autumn rains come down. This prime location is only 7 miles from downtown Seward, Alaska. Located at the edge of Resurrection Bay, this quaint little village is home to sea lions, orcas, and otters, and a wide assortment of human beings. The bay never freezes, but on rare occasions the harbor freezes enough to let the sea lions play on top. Seward, Alaska is located on the eastern side of the Kenai Peninsula. The Kenai Peninsula is located in the south-central region of the state of Alaska at the edge of the Pacific Ocean.